In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and add images to your Wix website. Whether you're building a personal blog or an online store, adding images can make your site more visually appealing and engaging for visitors. So let's dive right in and get started with these easy steps. First, you'll want to open the Wix website editor. To do this, navigate to your Wix dashboard, click on the site you want to edit, and then select Edit Site. This will take you to the editor where you can make changes to your website. The editor is a user-friendly platform, allowing you to easily drag and drop elements onto your pages. Once you're in the Wix editor, look for the Add Elements button on the left-hand toolbar. This button is your gateway to adding a wide variety of elements to your site, including text, buttons, and galleries. Click on it, and a menu will appear providing you options for all sorts of additions. In that menu, you'll see the Image option. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll be able to add images to your site. You can upload your own images or choose from a selection of stock images that Wix provides. Next, click on Upload Images if you want to use images from your personal collection. This will open a window where you can browse files on your computer. Once you've found the image you want to use, simply click on Open. This will upload the image to the Wix editor, so you'll have it readily available when needed. After that, to view your uploaded images, click on Cite Files. It's always helpful to have a gallery of your frequently used images that you can access anytime without having to upload them repeatedly. Make sure to organize your images well to keep things tidy and efficient. If you're looking for additional image options, you can use Media from Wix. Here, you'll find a vast library of free-to-use stock photos and visual elements. This feature is particularly useful if you're looking for high-quality images without the hassle of sourcing them externally. Once you have the image you want, simply select it. You'll notice it gets highlighted, signifying it's ready to be added to your site. Take this moment to ensure it's the right choice for your content and aligns with your site's theme. Finally, you'll want to click Add to Page. This action will drop your selected image right onto the canvas of your site. From there, you can resize, reposition, and style it using the on-screen settings to fit the design you have in mind. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to upload and add images to your Wix website. Experiment with different images to find what works best for your site, and feel free to explore the editor to discover other features that can enhance your web design. Thanks for watching, and happy web designing!